I'm Dr. Musial from Plant Docs, and this is Mia. And today we're gonna make tasty cornbread. What?
It's a banana room.
Well, bananas are the same color as corn. They're all yellow, so that's the color of the rainbow that we're celebrating today. Yellow. Oops. Don't break. Okay.
Say happy Juneteenth.
So we're gonna first put all our dry ingredients in here and our wet ingredients in here. So what are our wet ingredients? Which ones?
Our wet ingredients are
Apple cider vinegar,
apple cider,
applesauce.
this,
No, that's dry.
and that,
Maple, right. So we're gonna use maple syrup and almond milk. And then our dry ingredients are corn flour, nutritional yeast,
oat flour,
and baking soda. Whoops, it's spilling.
And
Oats.
old-fashioned oats.
So we're gonna put the dry stuff in one side. So make it nice and level at the perfect. And then we're gonna do a half a cup of oat flour. Fill it all the way up. Fill her up. Maybe I'll dump it into your cup. Hold it there.
That's more easy.
Okay, that makes more sense, right? So this is oat flour, which is just made of ground oats. Like that. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of corn flour. So we're gonna use that one. Here, we'll do the same thing. Hold it there and I'll fill her up. So 1 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon, that's this one, of baking soda. So do it nice and flat. Perfect.
See? And then you go bam.
Add 2 tablespoons, so that's the big one, of nutritional yeast. 1, 2. What do you think this smells like?
Cornflakes. Like, you know, the cereal?
It does kind of smell like cornflakes.
If you're from the 19s and you had cornflakes, then you know what this smells like.
But it's actually a little cheesy tasting, so it's gonna make the cornbread really yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
One more thing, salt. We're gonna do half of a teaspoon, this one, of salt. You can scoop that out and sprinkle that in there. And then let's mix all that together with the flour. Okay.
Mixy mix.
What color is it?
Kind of like a orangey kind of.
I don't think it looks orange. I think it looks. Do you think it looks red?
You said doesn't look red.
Does it look blue?
Yes.
Does it look purple?
Yes.
Kids, what do you think that looks like?
Say purple.
No! All right, now let's do the wet ingredients. We're gonna do, hold that please.
Chips.
We could do chocolate chip cornbread.
You should do that next.
Okay. 1 cup of nut milk. Woo! 1/4 cup of applesauce.
What do you think we should do next? Chocolate chip? Banana bread?
You have chocolate chips on the brain.
Or chocolate
Here, hold
chips?
this for me.
Cornbread.
So what's an applesauce? Dump.
And applesauce is apples that mixed with sauce like apple juice.
It's only apples. This is unsweetened applesauce, so there's no sugar, just pure sweetness from apples. And now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons, hold that please, of maple syrup. Ready? 1. Do you know what maple syrup comes from? Hold it flat. Oopsie.
Maple?
You can dump that. Maple trees. Did you know that? Hold it flat. The sap from the maple trees, they boil it down and it turns into maple syrup. And it's deliciously sweet. Let's see, did we do wet, wet, wet? Oh, and this one. So you can lick that.
I can?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh no.
You can lick that too. All right. Now 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. That would be this one.
Thank you, Sandy.
You're welcome. It's one of my favorite things on earth. Maple
To lick.
syrup. Yeah.
Especially to look.
1, 2. All right. So mix that up.
Okay, with this fork,
I think that's a good place to start.
it's kind of. It kind of just smells like bread.
Really? I
Yeah.
wonder why.
Maybe because it's cornbread. Oh, never mind. It's just the applesauce kicking
All
in.
right, so we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients. So now I'm gonna pour this into there. Ready? And you can mix it all up with that.
Wait.
Oh look, all the maple syrup came to the bottom. Why is that?
Because of how light it is.
That's how heavy it is.
It's heavy?
Well, it's heavier than milk,
Oh, yeah. I see what
so it sunk to the bottom. How's that looking?
Good.
So we gotta mix it up until all the flour, see the flour, the dry pieces? We gotta mix it until all that goes away. I'm mixing over here. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? See any more flour in there? Dry flour?
Nope.
Do you think the chocolate chip should go in the cornbread?
Yeah.
All right.
Why do we have some?
I think we might.
We do have chocolate chips.
Ta-da! All right.
Dark.
We just changed course. We're making chocolate chip cornbread. I think a half a cup.
Ooh, can I try some? Yes.
But do you think what's better, these or the maple syrup? Or the applesauce?
These.
So good. Dump her in.
Could I have one more?
Of course. This is a 9 by 9 inch square can. Can you cut it? This is called parchment paper. And so we don't have to use any oil. So we want to cut straight across there.
Okay. Right here?
Mm-hmm. Perfection.
Good.
Let's get that corner. Hold that there. Do you trust me?
Yep.
All right. Am I going to pour batter all over your fingers?
If you do, I will not be sad.
You won't be sad?
Nope.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea. Okay, you can move your fingers. You're not taking them out. You want them to be part of the cornbread?
Yes, I do. Ready, kids?
Ready, kids? We're scraping it around the side. We want to get every last piece of batter out so it's part of our cornbread. All right, here, flatten it out.
With what?
Mush it.
Mush, 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 mush.
Oh, it tastes really good. So the idea is just to get it flat.
Then can I lift that?
Yes,
I can.
because there's no eggs in it. There's no oil.
And there's no dairy. That's
There's
a
no
good thing.
dairy.
Because I am allergic. So guess what?
Dairy?
Yep.
All right. And some kids are allergic to gluten, anything with wheat in it. And this just has oats and corn. So kids who are allergic to wheat could have this cornbread.
And if they're allergic to eggs,
They could have this. And if they're
Chocolate.
allergic to, if they're allergic to chocolate, they can't have this.
so if you're allergic to chocolate, you can make this without chocolate.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Any jokes?
Why do they call it cornbread?
Why?
Because corn made a funny joke about bread.
Because corn made a joke about bread?
Yes.
We're going to pop it in a 385 degree oven. And cut.
Sit down. I'm going to eat some cornbread. How about you? Nothing. Can I eat you? Sure.
Get me.
Never saw that hand again.
All right, so about 32 minutes have gone by, and we're going to just see if it's done or not.
Toxic.
That's called the toothpick test.
Yeah. Toxic.
So what I want you to do is stick it in and pull it
Where?
out. Anywhere. except not where there's chocolate.
Oh.
Hang on, here, do the other side. So try to get like, that's gonna be hard, where there's no chocolate. Good. And what does it look like?
Nothing.
Yeah, so that means it's done. All right, we're gonna let it cool and we'll try it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh.
So, should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try it, people. Strangers.
Woo!
Strangers that we don't know. Some people.
So you wanna pull the paper away from it and I'll get a knife. How's that look? Does it look good?
Crunchy.
Crunchy? Crunchy
Wait, can we-
cornbread?
Can I?
Wow, that looks moist and chewy.
Can I?
Yeah. Might be hot. Is it hot?
Mmm.
Yeah? What do you think?
Good.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah.
Is it hot? Mmm. Oh my god.
It's good,
Good
but
call on the chocolate chips.
yeah.
So good. Corn bread.
Chocolate.
It's corn,
Chocolate.
but it's bread.
There's no corn in it.
With corn flour. What's corn flour made from?
Corn.
Corn. What's oat flour made from?
Corn. Oat.
Oats. All right, bye.
Ooh.